Yo, what is going on, and welcome to the Residual Royalty Academy. This is the channel where I show you how to go from nothing to $2, $3, $4, $5, $10,000 per month in book royalties by publishing low or no content books. And yeah, I'm gonna stop this accent right now. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to show you the new updates to tangent templates. It's going to be a really quick video, probably not the best one I've ever made on the channel, but yeah, I hope it's helpful, and I just wanted to make sure I stick to the series and make sure I keep putting these daily uploads out as I promised. So like I say, today is number 11, tomorrow is the last one, and then we'll be back to regular scheduling, 3 videos per week. So this is the first new feature of tangent templates. It allows you to create pen names just at will, really, and it allows you to choose the category, the gender, and the popularity of the name. So if I was writing a Japanese themed book, I could go for Japanese male popular, Japanese male rare, and then the pen name I would use, if you just ignore this one, because usually the pen names that we use are only 2 names, I would go for Tomufumi Yu or Shuya Shinjiro, or I could maybe press this again and it works again. So yeah, I could go for Yashikuki Shikikuro. And then if I wanted, let's say, to do a French name instead, then I would just do this. And I could call myself Thierry Auriel if I was writing a French-themed book or a book about France or whatever it might be. So that's a really, really useful feature, and that's probably the best new feature that they have brought along. So the second new feature is the quick mock-up feature, which doesn't seem very good. I only tried it for 10 seconds, admittedly, so if you want to try it out, then you sure can, but I do tend to prefer to use this. This is DIYbookcovers.com. This is completely free, and this is what I use to create my ebook mockups when I need to do that. So this is really, really useful, and yeah, this is the one I tend to use here, so that's really nice. Or for an ebook one, you could use something like that. So I would actually use that instead. But if you can get that to work, then there's absolutely no problem using that either. Tangent Templates is completely worth the money, and I'm not being paid to say this. I'm not an affiliate for the software or for the company. I just genuinely think it's absolutely worth the small investment. Then there's the PDF Inspector, which is brand new. It allows you to convert PDFs to PNGs. Or you could also use ilovepdf.com, which is my preferred choice, and this has a lot of features, and pretty much anything you need to do with a PDF, you can do it here. So I would also recommend that to you. Let's go back into Tangent Templates. So that is the first 3 new features, and the 4th one is kind of similar to what you've got in Publisher Rocket, where you can search for categories and then you can send those categories to Amazon in an email to get your book added to 8 new categories. And I do have a video about that up there in the top right corner. So if we were doing another Japan themed book, then it shows us all these categories we could try and add ourselves to just by sending this path. That's what it's called. It's called a path, and you send this to Amazon, and then they add the categories for you. And when you get in more obscure categories and just in more categories in general, then obviously you've got more chance to get bestseller tags and also those popular new release tags. So this is pretty useful, although it doesn't differentiate between ebook and paperback categories. Maybe they'll add that in the future, and for that reason I do prefer the Publisher Rocket version to this. But really everything else that Tangent Templates provides is absolutely incredible. So here you've got all the templates. There are literally hundreds of these customizable templates on here on Tangent Templates, and they're all customizable by trim size and by page count, so you can have however many pages you want, whatever trim size you want. You can even combine different templates into one book, and to do that you just use the Tangent Builder, and yeah, this is really awesome, and it just downloads it into a PDF for you. So that is that one, and the other one I really like is this one, the KDP Helper. This gives you the dimensions for your book cover, making it really, really easy. Saves you so much time and trial and error, really, by getting your cover dimensions wrong and then having problems when you're uploading the book. And this is the listing helper, where you can upload your kind of subtitles, your description, your keywords, if you're doing like a set of maybe 5 no content books, where those things can kind of stay the same or only change very little, and then it auto-fills when you're uploading in KDP, making it so much faster. So in summary, I'd say the new features are pretty cool. The only one I will probably actually use though is this pen name generator, because like I say, the category search I already have Publisher Rocket, and that one seems a bit better. For the mockup, I already have this website here, DIYbookcovers.com, and for the PDF thing here, I already have ilovepdf.com. So yeah, the only one I'm going to be using is this, but like I say, all the other features make this an absolute no-brainer, so make sure you get it. And like I say, I'm not affiliated with Tangent Templates at all. I just wanted to make sure I give you this video just to give you some form of content today, so I can stay true to my word for this 12-day series. So I hope you enjoyed my accent at the start of the video. Make sure you smash the like button if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't. Tell me why you did or didn't like it in the comments, and I will see you in tomorrow's daily upload.
They wanna count me out,